Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Who doesn't love to feel nice and clean and fresh? Well, I want to show you this soft soap body wash. This is a really nice body wash. This is the coconut butter scrub, and I have been really enjoying this one. So it has a super creamy consistency and it smells really nice as well. And there's a few other things that I like about it. One, it's an exfoliating body wash, so it has crushed apricot seeds in it. So they're just a little bit of texture, but it does help to make your skin feel super smooth, soft, and exfoliated, and it's also very moisturizing. So I like all of those features about it. One thing else that I really love is that the flip top is really easy to do, even with one hand. So when you're in the shower and your hands are wet, that's kind of a big deal. You need it to be easy to open. So I really like that feature as well. This came in a 4-pack, which is awesome because you stock up once and you're good for a while. And I really appreciate the packaging because it came with the tops taped down. So there was no chance of leakage of the soap all over the box. So that was awesome. So I love the creaminess. I love how it really lathers very nicely. You feel super, super clean, exfoliated and moisturized all in one. It's a great product. I really love it and it smells amazing to boot. That's my point of view.